Dear Form 5 students, how are you? Today, I will discuss one hot question. It is hot question because you are given a diagram. Based on diagram, you are asking to apply the concept and try to solve the problem based on the diagram. So, hot question always come with pictures, diagram, story, or any things that can stimulate your thinking skills. So that is so-called high order thinking. Alright, so let's do together so that we can build our confidence to solve hot question. No need to worry about hot question because it's actually make our additional maths more interesting. Alright, and it is actually more useful and you can apply in our daily life. Okay, do enjoy doing hot question for additional maths and keep on doing. Alright, okay, let's have a look how to solve this question. Hey to all the Form 5 students, how are you? Okay, so today we want to solve the probability distribution graph, okay, for the random variable x and mu and then variance. Okay, so if we are given x, the variable is not the standard one, so the data at the center is actually the mean. Okay, the mean is given by the symbol looks like m, it's actually read as mu. Okay, so if the variable is z, then the mean is 0. Alright, okay, if it is x, then the mean is actually the data at the center, which is 10. So the first question A is very simple if you can understand the concept of the variable of x and variable of z. Okay, so now we want to solve the part B. Okay, area of the shaded region is given 0.38 and you're asking to find area for P probability for x from 5 to 15. So the answer is 0.12 times 2. How to get this answer? So first of all, you have to work out the area for the x score from 10 to 15. Okay, from 10 to 15, how to get the area is, you know, half of the bell, the area is 0.5. So you have to take 0.5 minus 0.38, then you get 0.12. And from 5 to 15, you have double of the area, which is exactly the same. So your answer is just 0.12 times 2. So the answer is actually double of 0.12, which is 0.24. Okay, are you clear? Okay, if still not clear, then I will try to use a color to make sure you really understand. Okay, area for one whole bell, okay, bell shape is 1 because the area of the whole bell represents the sample space. So probability for sample space for the whole as a whole is 1. Okay, for half of the bell is 0.5. So now the blue area shaded by me is actually the probability from 10 to 15. So now I want to find this area. Now it's shaded in green color. So of course I will take half of the bell minus out 0.38. Understand? Okay, from 5 to 10 and 10 to 5 is equal length, right? The length is 5. So it means that the area should be the same because the bell shape is symmetrical, okay, balanced. So that means area for the green color, okay, when you add it up is 2 times of 0.12. And how you get 0.12 is you take half of the bell shape minus out 0.38. So 0.5 minus 0.38, so you will get 0.12, which is area for one part of the green area. So you have two parts of the green area, so you just double up your area, so it will be 0.12 also. So 0.12 times 0.12, you will get 0.12 plus 0.12, you will get 0.24. Okay, that is the area for the probability value for x from 5 to 15, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Both area are the same, equal, balanced. Okay, so the answer is 0.24. The concept of symmetrical of the bell shape. So you must understand symmetric. Okay, symmetrical means it's balanced. Okay, all right, understand? Okay, I go a bit slow because this topic is totally new to you. So if you really cannot do, you just go through the question many times through my video teaching. Okay, so make sure you get used to the terms like axis of symmetry, mu, probability for x, and probability is equal to area of the shaded region. Okay, so then you try to get used to the terms. The probability actually means area. Area is represented by probability. Alright, so bear in mind that area for bell shape is represented by probability. Okay, so maybe you are a bit confused because you have x, you got z sometimes, right? Okay, so the x is actually measurable variable, something that you can measure, example height, mass, okay, weight or length. So after you measure, you must actually convert to the z-score before you can refer to the probability distribution table to find the probability. So that means after you convert, you have to actually use the x minus mean over standard deviation equal to z, right? That is how you do conversion from x to z. Okay, so the area for the green area is actually 0.24. Is that clear? Okay, highlight the keywords. The important words here is x. X is very important. Okay, you always look at the axis. If the x, then you should know that you have to use a mean at the center. If it is z, then you have to use a probability distribution table. Okay, understand? So if it is Z, if let's say it's labeled as Z, then the mean will be 0. Okay, clear? Mean is equal to 0 when the axis is labeled as Z. Okay, right. So I think today
I took some bread to him today. He was awake, but he wouldn't take